Learn how to make this Venom inspired text effect in Adobe Photoshop. Welcome to Night Owl Design Academy, where creativity never sleeps. Let's get started. Create a new document in Photoshop that is 3000 by 2000. Resolution is 72 and the color mode is RGB. Fill the background with black. And now grab a soft brush and increase the size. Change this fill color to 32474E. And then add this to the background. Change this layer to dissolve with a 25% opacity. Now we're going to pop over to Adobe Illustrator and create a new file that is the same size as the file in Photoshop. Grab your type tool and type out Venom. And use this font family. Change the size to 580. Now go to Object, Expand, and click OK. And now use your direct selection tool and extend some of the points on the V, the N, and the M. Now take your text and edit copy and edit paste it over into Photoshop. Paste it as a smart object and then go ahead and change this layer's name and duplicate it 2 times. Now on this first original layer, we are going to add some layer styles. So double click this layer and click on stroke. Change the size to 1, position is outside, and the color will be 8C, 8C, 8C. Now go to Filter, Blur, Motion Blur, and change the angle to -22 and the distance will be 35, and click OK. Now place this layer in its own group and rename this group. Double click this folder and now we will add a bevel and emboss. Change the size to 62. Highlight mode will be color dodge. And the color will be white, and then opacity will be 84%. Shadow mode will be multiply. And the color will be 191819. And the opacity will be 100%. Now select inner shadow. Blend mode will be color burn, and the color will be 191819. Opacity will be 100%. Distance will be 21, and size will be 84. Now click on Satin. Change the blend mode to Vivid Light. And the color will be D9DBDC. Distance will be 50 and size will be 19. Change contour to the second one in the first row and make sure invert is unchecked. Now select Gradient Overlay. Make sure Reverse is checked, and for the first color stop, change it to 871E21. And then on the second color stop, change it to DF1F03. Change the angle to 112 and change the scale to 131. Now select the second and the third duplicated layers and move them over to the left a bit. Now on the second layer, double click it to add a bevel and emboss. Change the technique to chisel hard and the depth will be 1000. Size will be 35 and soften will be 16. Change gloss contour to the third one in the second row. Change the opacity of highlight mode to 100% and the color will be white. And then for shadow mode, change it to divide. And the color will be white as well and opacity will be 100%. Now click on contour, change this to the first one in the second row and now select stroke. Change the size to 3. The position will be inside and the blend mode will be Vivid Light. Change the color to F32102. Now click on Inner Shadow. Change the blend mode to Exclusion. And the color will be E0E2E3. Make sure Use Global Light is checked, and then distance will be 124, size will be 59. Change contour to this one, and now click on Gradient Overlay. Make sure Reverse is unchecked. And for the first color stop, change this to F1F, 1EF. Add another color stop and change this to 929, 291. For the next color stop, change it to DEDDDC. For the next color stop, change it to 90908F. And for the last color stop, change it to EAEAE7. Now turn on your third duplicated layer and change the fill to 0%. Now double click this layer and add a bevel and emboss. Change the technique to smooth. Size will be 81 and soften will be 0. Change gloss contour to the fourth one in the second row. Highlight mode will be linear light, and the color will be 374344. For shadow mode, change it to hard light, and the color will be white and opacity 100%. Now select contour and change it to the third one in the second row, and the range will be 51. Now select inner shadow, change the blend mode to linear burn, and the color will be 191819. Change the distance to 15, choke will be 10, and size will be 9. Change contour to the second one in the first row. Now click on satin, change the blend mode to vivid light, and the color will be white. Distance will be 50, size 19. And now click on gradient overlay. Change the blend mode to hard light. And for the gradient, we're going to use only 2 colors. So for the first color stop, change this to 565856. And the second color will be white. Change the angle to 90 and the scale will be 100. And that is how you make a Venom inspired text effect in Photoshop. If you like what you saw today, make sure you like and subscribe to my YouTube channel, and make sure you click that bell icon so that you'll be notified of every time I drop a new video. Thanks for watching.